Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can upload a video onto your YouTube channel using YouTube API. So actually I developed this API in PHP, and here you can see that we have title, description, tags, and option to upload the video, and then click on upload, and then after your video would be uploaded onto your YouTube channel automatically. So that means if for example you have anyone who is interested to upload the video onto your YouTube channel, and you have to develop such type of system that you could share that link and immediately the person could see this type of form where he or she could able to add the things, and then the video should be uploaded onto your YouTube channel. So the problem here is, like, if someone is uploading the video, then after the video would not be in public. So that means the video would be private and logged. So what does it mean? It means that YouTube is not allowing any type of video uploaded using YouTube API directly. Alright, so there is the process. The process is like you have to fill a form, and then after they will be verifying your YouTube API, and then your video would be public once someone is uploading a video onto your YouTube channel through YouTube API. So let me show you what you will have to do here is, like, you should go to support.google.com/youtube/contact/YT_API_form. So once you will be searching this specific thing, and you will be getting this type of screen. So here what you will have to do is you have to fill this form. So we have a lot of options, like reason for filling this form. So for example, quota extension, or maybe audit initiated by YouTube. So quota extension means, for example, you have multiple accesses. There are a lot of users who are interested to upload the video onto your YouTube channel. So at that time you have needed some quota, because YouTube has limited access for the uploading the videos using YouTube API. So for example, we have few users, and that's why we are interested to keep it audit initiated by YouTube. Then after, you have to add your full name, then you have to add your organization name, your organization website, I mean the specific website where your code of YouTube API would be hosted. And then after, you have your organization address, email address, then description, describe your organization, works at it relates to YouTube. So for example, there are some influencers who are interested to promote the products, and they are interested to submit the video onto your YouTube channel. So you should write something like that here. Then you have Google representative email address. So here you should add a specific email address where you will be getting the information. I mean, if you have working relationship with the Google employee, enter their correct email address. So for example, you have any contact with the Google, the person who is working in Google, so it would be more easier for you. So you can also give them the contact number of email of that person. Then content owner ID if available. We don't have, so leave it as it is. Then please list all your API clients. So you have to go to your YouTube API, and there you will be finding API client ID. So that you have to put here. Then please list all the project numbers. So you should also have the project clients project numbers over there. So you should copy and paste over here. Then we have, is this a publicly or privately available API client? So publicly accessible, of course. Then we have, where can we find each API clients? So here you will have that type of description. So you should read it, and you can actually add the YouTube channel link here. All right. Then after, if there is a login required to access, so for example, I have done the integration. So in this, we are actually generating a specific token for the first time, and then after there is no need to have the kind of access authentication. All right, so it would be automatic. I mean, there is no need to add any specific type of credentials. So then if you have any type of authentication, then you can also mention here. And does your API client commercialize YouTube data? So for example, you are interested to put some ads, something like that, or maybe paid subscription, one-time payment. So no, For now we are only interested to upload simple videos. So choose the option the best resembles your API client's use case. So YouTube analytics, social listening, but for now we are interested to YouTube video uploads. So specify all YouTube API services used by this API client. So we are interested for data API, right? Select the primary audience for your API client. So there would be creators. Then we have approximately how many users use your API client. So you should mention the number of users who will be uploading the video onto your YouTube channel. Then we have explain how many API clients is used by your users. How your API client, so you should describe something like they will be uploading some videos related to specific promotional content. So you should write few lines for them. Does your API client use multiple projects to access YouTube API? So for example, you are interested to use the same code in different websites, so you should mention here. But for now we are interested to add only on a single website. So that's why we have no need to, we have to mention here like only single website. Does your API client use multiple projects to access YouTube APIs? Yes or no? So no for now. Does this API client create, access or use any metrics derived your YouTube data? So for now you should keep it yes. Why? Because later on we will have needed any type of history, any type of analytics and something like that. So we should keep it yes. Then we have, does this API client display data form or Facebook, Twitter, etc.? No. So do you create or provide any type of reports using YouTube API data? For now we don't know, but you should keep it yes. Then we have, how long do you store YouTube API data? So you can mention here the number of days or maybe months. Then after, how often do you refresh YouTube API data? So after 24 hours we want a refresh, so that we get the updated data. So does this API client allow users to authenticate with their Google credentials? No. Then you have to submit a file. So file means they are asking for the specific integration of, for example, you have this type of interface. So you should take a screenshot of this and then upload here. Then you should check these all these checkboxes, and finally you have to click on submit. So in this way you will be submitting all the details which they are asking for, activating your YouTube API service. So they will be verifying you, and obviously you will be getting the email notification from them, and whatever would be the issue they will be mentioning there. For example, if you have missed something in the form, so they will be asking you for that. So feel free to ask the question in that email reply, because in that way you will be able to do it successfully, right? So if you are thinking that still this is difficult for you, so you should ask me question, because I have my client who had the problem and I solved for him, and I also did this demo for that person. So definitely I have a bit of experience for this. So feel free to ask the questions. So if you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel and also like this video. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.